We booked a tour with the North Shore Tour Guide Company for a guided morning bike ride. We booked about a month in advance to make sure we got an appointment using our Go Oahu pass. The path looks pretty bumpy, but that's just because my camera shakes like crazy if it's attached to the bike.
Back door. So pipeline this is the peak right here. Right over there.
The 2-hour bike route runs up and down the North Shore with stops at world-famous surf breaks.
So, yeah, sunset, pipeline, backdoor pipe. Bellsy Land is, I think, further down there.
We booked about a month in advance to make sure we got an appointment using our Go Oahu pass. While the tour didn't cost anything extra, do be sure to bring a tip for your guide.
How big are they, like that? Oh, okay. See right now.
Our guide knew the area well, and he tried to keep us entertained.
There he is. Oh, find him? Yeah, he's right here.
That's a little one. See the little one?
There he is. Oh, wow.
Not much meat on him.
Yeah, these things are sharp. Yeah, they get bigger. They get like that bigger. Should be nice little bass probably.
Yeah.
Nice little crab.
He's angry. Goodbye, Mr. Crab. Chain getting derailed.
Chain's derailed.
We had to make a few stops because my sister's chain kept getting derailed.
Just like where the swell is really big in the winter, there must be people parked everywhere along here, huh?
Yeah, it gets like really busy like summer.
We visited during September when the water was relatively calm, but during the winter months, wave faces often reach 50 and occasionally 100 feet tall.
So, this is the place in Hawaii where all the conditions come together the best, and it drops off here, not like on the mainland, there's a shelf, but this goes straight down. So that's why the waves, open ocean waves, come and hit this, and that's why they're so big and powerful.
The guide really was great. He offered to take pictures for us. He says just to go for it. We know the way back.